Today is June 9th, National Meal Prep Day. It is the ultimate push to take control of your kitchen, save tons of cash, and crush your healthy eating goals. The modern meal prep movement exploded across social media as fitness enthusiasts realized that planning ahead was the absolute secret weapon to staying on track during busy work weeks. Today, people mark the day by mapping out their weekly menus, hitting the grocery store in force, chopping fresh veggies, and packing rows of colorful, portion-controlled containers to stack in the fridge. And the benefits are massive. Prepping your meals ahead of time not only slashes your weekly grocery bill by cutting down on food waste, but it also saves you hours of stress and keeps you from ordering expensive, unhealthy takeout when you're tired. So whether you're counting macro targets, filling up glass Tupperware, or just trying to survive a hectic week, June 9th has something for everyone. If you want to learn more, visit nationaltoday.com.